Mudita is a company out of Poland that has a wide array of e-paper products in their lineup. They actually don't even make e-readers. They make things like phones, smartwatches, alarm clocks, and the like. This in question today is the Mudita Moment. Inhale, exhale, repeat. It actually won a design award in 2022, just this year. This is a smart watch with a vegan strap, exercising manuals for breathing, and fits in line with their simplistic, beautiful, peaceful products. I really love these guys' products. They look so nice and peaceful and just soft. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Let's put that off to the side for now because we always like to show the rest of the box first. So pulling this out, looks like you have an English manual first, and then a Polski version, and Espanol, and Deutsch, and you have French, and oh wow, there's more stuff here, okay. It looks like some band stuff. There's nothing else in that sleeve, so that would be the end of it. So this looks like some information on the watch strap. Now this is really interesting because it's on the actual back of the box. It says, I won't read everything, these 100% plant-based and cruelty-free straps are made out of Abaca banana plants. That is so cool and forward. It is really nice to see companies like Kobo, like Mudita, that are doing more ecological benefit related things to their products rather than just keeping the cost low. It is nice to see where some of these companies' priorities are. So that's really nice. Look at this. We have a whole bunch of things here. We have who signed it, actually. Who signed and stamped and signed again the release of this particular product, and it looks like you do have some Mudita Moment breathing exercises, which we'll get into in the full review. That's really cool, and these are all just variations based on the languages. Let's see what else is in the box. There should be a tray here. Oh, look at that. Cool. Oh, wow. This is very nice. It looks like some sort of stacked balsa wood. Well, that's interesting. I've never seen that before, period. Alright, and there is another tray down below. Wow, that is really cool. Alright, I can see why they won a design award. I don't know if that has anything to do with the actual box, but whoa, look at that. A balanced mechanical, and you actually see the mechanisms. That is really cool. Alright. Okay, this strap is very nice. You can kind of tell that it has some sort of nature benefits to it because it's a little bit kind of inconsistent and splotchy, something you wouldn't get with a fresh spool of black number 5 in the factory, but it's nice that they're not using that. They're using cruelty-free vegan products in order to make it and not using fresh, brand new resin. And you see they are stamped on the bottom of the stainless steel clasp, and they have the stamps on the back, and they have a sapphire crystal. I'm not sure if that is the back for the mechanisms or the front face, but we'll double check for the full review. And it says stainless steel on there and some serial number stamps. This is really nice. This is very unique. We've never seen a watch ever that actually had... Is that their symbol? They stamped their symbol on the inside underneath the glass for the inertia mechanism or whatever you call it. That is absolutely incredible. This is some high-end stuff. It looks really nice. This is the Mudita Moment, and this is everything that comes in the box with this release. Stay tuned for more e-reader related videos, and coming up in a future video, the review. For GoodEreader.com, this is Peter.